India will host security czars of Russia, Iran, and five Central Asian countries for a security dialogue on Afghanistan on Wednesday that will explore firming up a common approach for practical cooperation in confronting increasing threat of terrorism, radicalization, and drug trafficking following the Taliban takeover of Kabul. Sources said China was invited for the Delhi Regional Security Dialogue on Afghanistan, but it has already communicated that it would be unable to attend the conclave because of scheduling issues, while Pakistan to decide to skip it. The dialogue, to be chaired by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, will also be attended by top security officials of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Doval will also hold bilateral talks with his counterpart, including those from Russia and Iran. The sources said all the participating countries have a very high degree of convergence on the security implications of the Taliban seizing power in Afghanistan, and the focus of the dialogue will be to have cooperation on practical terms to deal with the challenge. All the participating countries want to be a part of the solution to the problem, said a source. You cannot probably say this about Pakistan. They said dealing with the challenges of terrorism, radicalization, drug trafficking, cross-border movement of people, and threats emanating from military weapons left behind by US forces will be discussed at length at the dialogue. The sources said the Central Asian countries are not ready for any export of ideology from Afghanistan into their societies. The security officials are expected to deliberate on cross-border movement of people from Afghanistan as well as the threat emerging from the military equipment and weapons left behind by the US forces in that country. The Ministry of External Affairs said the dialogue will witness expanded participation of Iran, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyz Republic, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan, and the countries will be represented by their respective NSAs or secretaries of the Security Councils. The high-level dialogues will review the security situation in the region arising from recent developments in Afghanistan. It said in a statement it will deliberate upon measures to address the relevant security challenges and support the people of Afghanistan in promoting peace, security, and stability. It said the forthcoming meeting is a step in that direction. The sources said none of the participating countries have recognized the Taliban, and all of them have similar concerns and worries over the situation in Afghanistan. They said there was a credibility gap between Pakistan's action and intention of Afghanistan. On China skipping the dialogue, the sources said though it is not attending the conclave because of the scheduling difficulties, it has conveyed its readiness to maintain contacts with India on Afghanistan through bilateral and multilateral channels. We would have been happy if China attended it, but perhaps CPC Central Committee meeting could be one reason they were unable to attend. Pakistan had refused to attend the previous edition of the dialogue of the NSAs in Iran in 2018 and 2019, citing India's participation, the sources said. The Taliban has not been invited as India as well as other participants do not recognize the current establishment in Afghanistan. They said issues related to humanitarian aid is definitely going to be part of the discussions. The sources said India's commitment is for the people of Afghanistan. What we need is basically quick access to Afghanistan, and Pakistan denied us the access. If Pakistan claims to be concerned about the humanitarian situation in Afghanistan, then it is very easy for Pakistan to allow Indian aid to reach Afghanistan. The sources said the meeting is not going to lead to any formal security architecture, but it may trigger a gradual evolution of stepping up of security cooperation.